Hi guys, Philip Bartman here, and let me give you a 60-second demo to show you how fast it is to create a lead magnet using LeadCreator, okay? And over the course of the next 6 months, next year, next 2 years, next 3 years, next 4 years, we are committing hundreds of thousands of dollars to this development, okay? In fact, for this launch, every single penny we are raising in November during this launch is going back into developing the software to make sure it's evergreen, well supported, and it's a tool that you will have as your #1 arsenal in your content creation process. And I also want to implore you to stick with me in this video, because I want to share with you as well why LeadCreator is not just a tool for creating lead magnets. It's a way to drastically increase your growth rate with your email list, your engagement, and more with your following, okay? So keep watching, we'll jump in here, and I'll show you why LeadCreator can potentially transform your business overnight, okay? So let's jump in here. And so for you to create your first lead magnet using LeadCreator, all you do, guys, is click on create, boom, right here, and give this a name like so. And then here you choose your template. If you want to start with a completely blank page where you can create your own lead magnet using our AI tool inside here, or simply copy and paste your lead magnet content from your favorite AI tool, go for that. Or go here and you can choose one of our pre-done templates for you. I'll choose the ebook creator just for this example, and I'll go here and expand the prompt field, and I'll paste in here a simple prompt I've created for the content, okay? Now I'll click on create. Now our template in the background will make sure that the content is succinct, well written, and more, okay? So while this here is working, it'll take about sort of 20-30 seconds. I want to also sort of convey to you that LeadCreator is not a software that we're launching this month and then, hey presto, next month we're gone, no more updates, no more support, nothing. We are dedicating hundreds of thousands of dollars to this project to make sure that LeadCreator is a cornerstone of your business long term, to grow your list, to build up your following, to engage your audience, and more, okay? We first launched in June of 2024. We're doing like a proper launch now in November, okay, of 2024. And afterwards, you will not see this again at this price and so on. So make sure you keep watching. So you can see now here, guys, the AI content has been created, okay? Now, obviously, as with all AI tools, you have to read through it and make sure it's accurate, make sure it has correct information, obviously, because, you know, AI tools, sometimes they do they do make up stuff, right? So you want to make sure that you go through this here and make sure you read it and so on and so forth, okay? But you can see it's comprehensive, it's detailed, and it's all here. And what you can do now, if you want to, you can start highlighting text here, and you can use our editor here to, you know, bold things, change font color, and so on and so forth. Here, you can also click on Ask AI right here, and you can go ahead and make changes. So if I say here, rewrite this in the voice of a pirate, right? It will go and do that. Boom, just like that. And here, obviously, you can go ahead and change it. You can change the tone, you can expand, subtract, you can make it longer, make it shorter, make it more succinct, and so on, so on, so on, right? This AI tool here works like any other AI tool. Whatever you want to do, you can do in there, okay? So you can see, boom, right there. So if I want to change this here and say, you know, more pirate style, right? Simply go to replace here. Hey presto, here it is. And also, you can also go and drag and drop here, like so. So if you want to move things around, move this chapter heading here, like so. If you want to add videos and images and so on, hey presto, here it is, image, video, YouTube, and all that good stuff, okay? So the editor here is very self-explanatory, okay? And you can do your own thing here. If you want to paste in content from elsewhere, boom, feel free, bring it in here, and you can do whatever you want with it, okay? Now, this is where the magic happens in terms of the list growth, okay? So let me show you a few features here, so you understand what you can do here. Now, here you have your email capture. This here gives you various templates right here, as you can see, the preview. Things like ebook style, blurred button, video. If you want to have no email capture at all, just so you can share the link, choose this option here. But let's say for argument's sake, I choose the ebook style here. We have an image on the left and the email capture on the right hand side, okay? Here, I can click on here and choose an image. So if I just go ahead and choose a random image here like so, okay? And then that image there will then appear. And then here, I go ahead and change I can go and change this to whatever, okay? Okay, I'll give you a headline here. And obviously here you can add your privacy policy. If you don't have one, we can add a default one for you. And then here, if you want to add a double opt-in, go for it. That's all good there as well. And here you can go ahead and change the color of the button to be whatever you want to have here. And here as well, you can choose various triggers, okay? My favorite trigger is the half page blur trigger. I'll show you that in a second, okay? Click on save. And then here you go to integrations, and here you can integrate whatever autoresponder you want to integrate with. And you can see here we've got a whole bunch coming here in the next few weeks. And I'll talk to you more about the social slider, the expiring URL, and the scarcity maker in a second. But for now, I'll go back here to the content editor, okay? And so here, now if I click on publish here now, and if I go ahead and go to view, this is what the person will see. So if I take this link here, which of course you can have a custom link branded to your domain name, that's no problem at all. If I take this link here now and share it with somebody, this is what they see. And here you can see the half page blur, okay? And this is why this is my favorite template is because it teases your audience to read this here, and then they have to opt in here to keep reading. So now if I go here and go like so and say test@test.com, come in here, and I can simply pop in my email here, and this now means now I can go, oh, now I can keep reading, okay? And this is then cookied to that person, so if they come back here again later to read this here, they can just read through this here and enjoy your lead magnet, okay? And this here is where LeadCreator becomes more than just a lead magnet creation tool, because if I now go back to my main dashboard, and I can do that by going back here and then simply go back here to back, like so. And then here on the dashboard, you'll see all your lead magnets. Here you can see testing right there. Now, if I open this here, you can see here, first of all, you can see visits 1, leads 1, conversion rate 1, obviously 100. But here right now, if I want to go ahead and update this, okay, all I do is this. So I can say here, 100, okay, and simply click on update here. And then this link here, you can see right now, does not have this here. But if I refresh this here, like so, boom, that's how you update it. So that means that you can update lead magnets very easily without having to download things and re-upload things and email your list and say, hey guys, I've updated this thing here. You can just do it and it automatically updates across all their links, okay? That's very powerful. And also with the LeadCreator, the one great feature we have is the fact that all your lead magnets are on one dashboard. So here you can see all the lead magnets I have right now that I'm using in testing and so on. You can see they're all here. So I bet your ass, if I asked you right now, show me your last 10 lead magnets, you will go, oh yeah, where are they again? You have to think, okay, which WordPress website did I upload them to, right? Because you forget, whereas here, it's all here in one dashboard. And the one beauty here is when you click on create here and you go to create lead magnet, the great thing here, guys, is with these templates or with simply the blank page here and all the future templates coming in future, it means that it cuts out so much noise for you. Because normally what happens is, normally a person who is using a combination of WordPress and Canva and some kind of lead generation tool and a page builder, they'll have to use 4 different tools to create a lead magnet. But here you can do it inside LeadCreator like that, okay? And it means that you don't have to go through the pain in the ass of going to ChatGPT, writing out a prompt, creating something, uploading that to here, to Canva, and sitting here in Canva going, all these options, all these templates, I don't know what to choose. Oh, color choices, margins, which color do I choose, which font do I choose, and so on and so forth. You don't have to do that anymore, because it means that you can simply go in here and create something quickly. And then normally what happens is, people have to come here, create something, and then download that, and then go to WordPress, upload that to WordPress, and then go and add your conversion elements, go and design the squeeze page, and then go and somehow track that link later on when you've long since forgotten where the hell you even have that link, okay? Whereas LeadCreator, that solves all that for you. And it means that as time goes by, as we are going to continuously push updates and make the design, the design feature better, give you more templates, give you more functionality, give you more features and so on, means LeadCreator will become a monster for you and help you grow faster. Because here's the killer thing, guys. I am a content creator as well. And I'm making this tool for me as well, because what I've realized myself, that since I've started using LeadCreator, I am by default making more lead magnets because it's so easy for me. Before, I would create a video or a social media post and go, I'll post that, it's good enough, but I can't be bothered to create a lead magnet because it's not worth my time, I don't get enough views, and for the sake of 5, 10, 15 leads, it's not worth my time. Whereas now with LeadCreator, it is, because it's so freaking fast, okay? And so by default, by me now using LeadCreator, I'm getting more leads simply because it's so easy to make the lead magnet, it's worth my time. Get it? I really hope so. And this is why LeadCreator is so powerful. Now, if I go back in here again now to the actual, this here, I want to talk you through the social slider, expiring URL, and also the scarcity maker, okay? So the social slider here gives you a pop-up to show people that others are opting in. So if I go to activate here right now and go to save, if I now take this URL here, and if I go ahead and open it in incognito mode, right, it'll come up here in the corner saying that who was the last person who opted in. Now here you can see I obviously entered in some random letters here, but this here says this person opted in 6 minutes ago. That's me. Okay, and that's a conversion element there, where by people seeing that, it makes others want it more. And now you can combine that with expiring URL. And same thing here, if I go and activate this here right now, and you can see here, let's go to November. So you can see here right now, if I go ahead and activate this here, again, if I go back to this lead magnet and open this in incognito mode, you'll get a countdown timer at the top here, again, to drive conversions, okay? Because when people see this, they go, oh, people opting in here, oh, and there's only 5 minutes left, 10 minutes left, whatever. That drives conversions, okay? And also, we have this here, the scarcity maker. What this allows you to do is to put a limit on how many people can opt into your lead magnet. So if I put here and say, I only want 10 people ever to actually be able to opt into this lead magnet, same thing. If I go here, copy this here, head over to incognito mode, paste it in here, share this, and then when this pops up here, you can see here, boom, limited edition, only 9 downloads left. Okay, because it knows I've already opted in for a few minutes ago. So these here are here to drive conversions for you, to make sure that your audience are yearning for your lead magnets. Okay, now, like I said before, guys, we have a long list of things we're going to add here. We're going to add a whole plethora of features and usability, and make this tool a cornerstone of your business, okay? Because I'm certainly making it part of mine, because when it comes down to it, LeadCreator is going to be, it's going to be so important for my business in terms of growing my list faster, growing my leads faster, and engaging more with my audience, and creating better content or better lead magnets because I have this tool, okay? And over the course of the next 6 months, next year, next 2 years, next 3 years, next 4 years, we are committing hundreds of thousands of dollars to this development, okay? In fact, for this launch, every single penny we are raising in November during this launch is going back into developing the software to make sure it's evergreen, well supported, and it's a tool that you will have as your #1 arsenal in your content creation process. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And jump inside, come and join, and I'll see you inside the Facebook group and the WhatsApp group. Okay, cheers, guys.